When a car won't start in cold weather, there are several possible reasons for this issue. One common cause is a flat battery, as the cold temperature increases electrical resistance, resulting in a loss of up to 35% of the battery's strength. To address this, using a jumper cable to jump-start the car can be a temporary solution. But it's essential to have the battery checked later to determine its remaining charge before deciding whether to replace it with a new one. Another possible reason is thickened engine oil, which can prevent the engine from starting due to its reduced ability to flow. Using the right type of thin oil during the winter months can help protect the engine. And regular oil changes are crucial, even if the oil has thickened. By considering these potential causes and taking the necessary steps, it's possible to fix a car that won't start in cold weather.